Starting a web business. Do you need to know HTML to start a web business? If you are thinking of starting an internet-based business, then you may be put off because you do not know how to build a website or web page. In this article, we will look at whether you need to know HTML in order to get started in making money online. We will look at some of the alternatives to writing HTML by hand. HTML files are just made up out of text. If you are an expert in using HTML, hypertext markup language, then you can write an entire website using just a text editor, such as Notepad. While having a skill such as this is admirable, it is not necessary to be able to do this in order to start a successful web business. There are a couple of alternatives available which we look in the paragraphs below. The first of these is using a WYSIWYG editor, which is installed on your own computer at home. This stands for, what you see is what you get. These web page editors allow you to write a web page without understanding the underlying computer code. You just type in your content and add images just as you would when using a word processor, such as Microsoft Word. In fact, you can use Microsoft Word itself to generate a very good-looking web page. Another alternative to knowing HTML is by using a CMS such as WordPress. CMS stands for Content Management System. This lets you create a website or web page without knowing about computer language. The difference with a CMS is that it is installed on your website rather than on your own computer at home. WordPress, for example, has a built-in WYSIWYG editor which enables you to put the contents of your web business site online easily. So there you have it. If you have been put off starting a web business because you do not understand HTML, then there is no need to worry. You can get started by using either a WYSIWYG web page editor installed on your own computer, or by using a CMS such as WordPress. Although it is not necessary to know HTML, it is still a good idea to have a basic understanding of it so that you can edit the code of your web page when you really need to.